which
Oh,
is
yeah. This is a
course
good one.
essential course creation workshop is workshop 2.
So the next workshop, I think most of you here will really benefit from and enjoy. It's a course about course development. So whether your course offering is a series of classes, workshops, online courses and classes, in-person courses and classes, this 2-hour workshop goes through the nuts and bolts of what you have to know about creating the arc of your curriculum for any course delivery, whether it's a workshop, a mini course series, classes, in person or online, or self-paced, right? They're very different. We give you the 101. Everything, like we'll save you a lot of time and trial and error and feedback um, with this workshop.